Corollary. Log a to the base b is written as 1 by log b to the base a, and log a to the base b is equals to log a to base x by log b to base x. Log a to the base b power n is equals to 1 by n log a to base b. Log a power m by b power n is equals to m by n log b a to the base b. A power log x to base b equals to x power log a to base b. Here the most important are the fourth and the fifth one. So I would take up these two and I will explain it. Log a power m to the base b power n. Logarithm of a power m to the base b power n. By using the property log a to the base b can be written as log a to the base x by log b to the base x. So this can be written as logarithm of a power m to the base x by logarithm of b power n to the base x. By using the basic property of logarithm, log a power m to base x can be written as m times log a to the base x by n times log b to the base x. Going back to the formula, that we know this ratio, this can be written as m by n times log a to the base x by log b to the base x. That's nothing but m by n times log a to the base b. Log a power m by b power n can be written as m by n times of log a to the base b. Okay. At the same time, I shall try to prove the next one, a power log x to the base b. A to the power of log x to the base b can be written it like this one. By using the formula change of the base, log x to base b can be written as log x to the base a, changing the base to a, and then into log a to the base b. Okay, that can be written as a to the power of log x to the base a to the power of log a to the base b. But as the bases are same, we know a power log x to base a, when the bases are same, gets cancelled, nothing but x you get it. X to the power of log a to the base x, base b. Therefore, a to the power of log x to the base b written as x to the power of log a to the base b.